And this is one of the traditional Korean pot. And we actually preserved kimchi and doenjang inside of the pot, and we actually like bury them under the ground. That's the traditional way to preserve the kimchi. Is it made with the ceramic? Yeah, you guys can see that. Nowadays, not dangerous. That's kind of for us like a refrigerator for us. They bury them under the ground because the ground actually like keeps the temperature in a certain low level, so that keeping the kimchi fresh. Let's get inside.